In the previous video, I promised to show you how to go from no idea of what to design to ready to upload work before you finish your breakfast. I will do 2 designs today, and we'll use a timer so you can see in real time how quick it actually is. But before that, I will show you what we are going to use to go from no idea to a complete design and listing. First, we are going to use the Merch Opportunities posts for events 45 days away from now. Next, we will use the free Grok to generate a design. This is the completely free version of Grok. The only thing you need to do is log in to get this dashboard. Then, we will use Upscale. I made a video about it a while ago. It's a free tool that you can download on their website. Don't be scared away by the pricing options. Those are for cloud users. If you have a more or less decent device, go to the download page and get the local version, which is completely free. After upscaling, you will need to remove the background. That's totally different for everyone. I'm going to use Affinity Photo for that. If you don't have software that you use on your device, you can find a ton of free options to do it online. Or you can use Canva for that. This part is up to you, but I'm sure it's impossible not to find an option to remove the background. And last but not least, we will use Gemini to write the listing. You can use Gemini, ChatGPT, or whatever you usually use. I'd suggest creating a Gemini gem or a ChatGPT agent where you upload an image and it automatically writes the listing for that image. The listing can be for any platform, Merch by Amazon, like in my case, or for Redbubble, TeePublic, or any other platform. Creating a gem or agent is very simple. Just write instructions on what to write, what to avoid writing, and how to format the listing, and that's it. So it's time to do some work in real time. Oops, the timer activation key opened a new tab. Okay, click the Recent Merch Opportunities post and choose the event you wish to work on. Today there are green and yellow events, no reds. I see it put National Football Hangover Day in the yellow category, but I'm sure it's possible to avoid intellectual property risks there. Anyway, let's go with the greens. I will definitely use Poop Day, but first, let's do the drafting my next bad habit concept. Just copy this text, go to Grok, click the Imagine icon, select the media type and aspect ratio, paste the copied text, and hit the Generate button. Grok generates multiple variations. And the best part is, as you scroll down, it generates new variations in real time. On the free plan, don't scroll too much. At some point, you can reach the daily limit. Choose the version you like and save it to your device. Then repeat the same with other designs you want to create. I'm going with National Poop Day. I think it should be funny. Again, paste your copied text and choose the design. The more you scroll, the harder it is to choose. When you finally find one, download it to your device. Next, we are going to upscale them. Drag and drop the design into Upscale. Adjust the scale level, in my case it's 6 times, and click the Upscale button. Repeat the same with the other designs. Now we have to remove the background. As I said, there are many options to do so. I like my affinity photo because here I have more control over the process. Actually, you can try to search for affinity photo. I bought this software a while ago, but I believe that after it was acquired by Canva, they turned it into a free app. Even if their free app has some trap, basic functions like background removal should be free. Do the same with the other image. In this case, I changed the color because dark shirts sell better. And the last step before uploading is the listing text. For the first example, I just dropped the design and hit the Go button. A bit of a messy output, but everything is there. Another option. Along with the design, you can provide context. I just copy the text we used for Grok. Actually, no, I will copy the concept part too. Paste it into the listing writer, add the design, and hit the Go button. And that's it. 11 minutes and 29 seconds. Add 5 minutes for the upload, finish your breakfast, and the rest of the day is yours. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and until next time.